simple, you know, same stuff every time. There's nothing rocket science about it. Like I said, you've gone from nothing to 6 times 45-minute sessions. That's your lot. You've gone from nothing to that. So, we'll move to something else, like what you said. So, we're going to look at another scenario now. This is cuffing scenario. So, we're going to present our hands to be cuffed. Like so, as you can imagine, for an SOE agent, this is maybe an hour away from your fingernail being pulled out, from your face being smashed up with a hammer, for you to be horribly tortured, your friends horribly tortured, for your information to lead to the deaths of thousands of people. This is bad. Yeah? This is as bad as it can possibly get. So, the great thing about cuffing is it requires a bit of attention on behalf of the cuffer. Yeah? So, again, what we need to make sure we act on this fast. Act on this very, very fast. If you allow him to decide the manner in which he's cuffing, you'll naturally be intelligent. Your job is to make him not be intelligent. So your job is to proactively think on behalf of this guy. You give him something to deal with. Give him a bone to chew on. Make sense? Otherwise he will use his initiative. You give him the bone to chew on. Now what happens is his hands have to move to that. And his attention, no matter how good it is, will have to fleetingly focus on this skill. So you're going to use these hands together, and we're going to stick him for a big, solid double chin jab. And we're going to grip. Remember, the grip's important. Yeah? We're going to hoop him. Boom, boom. 2 knees. Like I said, nearly always you'll mess up the first knee. Doesn't matter. Bang, bang. But keep the grip on his face. Yeah? What we're then going to do, we're going to crunch and scrape down. Yeah? Nasty scrape. Right, there it's all there. So, crack it down here. So the next move is really important. It's called a wheeling elbow. It works like this. But you kept that pressure on. You cracked him with the elbow, but what I'm really thinking is that exit. Bang! So the wheeling elbow is an elbow designed to orientate me in the direction I want to go. So if I've plotted that that's the way out, bang! That's where I want to orientate my body to sprint. If, boom, I've plotted, there's a lump hammer over there I can do it with, bang! I've got that, I'm doing it. So the wheeling elbow is designed, wherever you want to go to, you orientate yourself towards. So as you're doing this drill, what I'd like you to do is think about where your nearest exit might be. So as you imagine, you present the cuffs to give him something to chew on. You disrupt his better judgment that would do this. So I mess with his mind. I offer him something immediately. I use that, this is where the steps in forward. If I just try and push, he'll resist. Forward. That's okay. Grip. Grip a lump of something. Knee, scrape it. After siding, I want that exit. Bang! Wheeling elbow. Adjust my hat. Fuck off. Make sense? When you're doing the drill, when you do the wheeling elbow, decide. Mentally decide, I'll pick up that chair and brain it. I'll go out that door and get that fire extinguisher. Try and have that acumen about the world around you. Make sense? But do you understand the truth about the hands? If it's hand hock and my hands are up here, you will use some initiative. Don't let people you have initiative. Take away his initiative. Make sense? Give that a go.